As a teacher or as a student in your class, there may be a time where highlighting the text would be a useful strategy to understand the reading. To do this, with the Read-Write toolbar, highlight the text and then choose a color. So for instance, this could be used to create their own vocabulary list. So you tell the student to highlight specific words or the words they feel most important in this article. Now, the student can then use the Collect Highlighted box and collect based on either color or position. A new document is created with all the highlights, and this could be their list of words that they feel like they need to look up. Another use of this could be where they highlight the words they want to look up. They then use a different color to highlight the important things in the article. So they highlight the important sentences and the important information from the article, and maybe questions they have in a different color. Then they can use the Collect Highlights tool to collect based on color. And again, a new document is created with those highlights to then continue on with things like notes or study skills like a 3-2-1 review of the highlighting. If, for instance, you wanted to have a vocabulary list that you could give to your students, again, start with highlighting the word or series of words. After collecting all the words, click the vocabulary icon. This will now create a new document with a vocabulary table. This vocabulary table can then be changed or edited based on your needs, but it does include the word, the definition, a picture of the word, and then a place for notes. A good strategy to use is first find the definition that would work best for the students you have. So if you notice, there's multiple definitions here for comfortable. You can clear out the definitions that are not needed, or you can have the students do the same thing. And then, once your vocabulary list is cleaned up, you can even change this from notes to something like what it means to me. And then the students can add their own notes on what each of these words are. Again, these words were selected by the students, or you can select them for them using the highlight tool and then the vocabulary tool.